flaxseed oil. It's a healthy edible oil that can be used in cosmetics and cuisine. It can also be taken on a spoon as a supplement, and it has a fresh nutty flavour because of it being from a seed. It's cold pressed from these seeds. So the way that we extract the oil is we squeeze the oil, the natural oil, out of the seed, and that's what gives it all the health benefits. Flaxseed oil from New Zealand is the richest source of omega-3. Flaxseed oil from New Zealand has 60% omega-3, and omega-3 is an essential fatty acid that our body needs. Now it's called essential because our bodies can't make omega-3, so we have to get it from the food that we eat. So these are some of the symptoms down here. So very dry skin, dry nails and dry hair. That's one of the symptoms. Poor memory is another symptom. Joint problems, so sore and aching joints. Digestive disorders, heart problems, cholesterol. So they're some of the things all down here. Deficiency, if you don't have enough omega-3 in the body. Now, I mentioned earlier that flaxseed oil from New Zealand has the highest omega-3. We have 60% and more omega-3 in our flaxseed oil from New Zealand. And the reason for that is because of the ozone hole. So there's a hole in the ozone layer that sits over the Antarctic that moves to New Zealand every year, leaving that hole. And so what scientists have found is that because of this hole in the ozone layer, the sun's rays are stronger in New Zealand, and plants are protecting themselves by producing more bioactives and antioxidants to protect themselves from the sun. So first of all, I'm going to demonstrate my favourite. I have this maybe 3 times a week because it has chocolate in it. It's a banana chocolate smoothie. And then when you've blended it all and it's to the liquid, then add your flaxseed oil. So I normally add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of flaxseed oil, and then just give it a quick whisk after that. And there you go. Full of nutrition and goodness. So say you can add other things to it. So always start with a liquid, then put your fruit in, cottage cheese, quark, tofu if you want to add more protein, peanut butter, cocoa powder if you like chocolate, bit of honey to sweeten. If you like a very thick shake, you can add ice cubes to it as well, and that will make it thicker and colder. So for the chili dipping sauce, we're going to put a little bit of sugar into here to add the sweetness to the sauce. So we need to dissolve the sugar. Now, of course, we can't heat flaxseed oil, so we're going to put the other ingredients into a pan and very, very, very gently heat it so that it dissolves the sugar. And just a little bit of sugar. So there's just chopped chili here, so that's going to go in. So we just need to warm it just enough until the sugar has all dissolved. So just add some black pepper, and then you simply mix this with flaxseed oil, and it's a delicious dipping oil for dumplings. I'm going to pop the flaxseed oil into the bowl. There we go, and then just mix that in with the flaxseed oil, and then add that in at the end.